Very well. I've always wanted to dissect a cricket.
No! Hey, please!
Shh. As your patient, the Dark One must have told you all manner of secrets. Where is his dagger?
I don't know anything about a dagger.
No, you don't, do you? It's his weakness. Now, tell me, does he have any others? Very well. I've always wanted to dissect a cricket.
No! Wait, please.
That's more like it. Now tell me, cricket, what is his weakness?
Bill! Oh, thank God.
Archie, you're okay?
Yes, I am. Can you,
Go. Find Mr. Gold, tell him I'm here, bring him back to the ship.
Wait, you're not coming with me?
Go. Go, go, go. There's no time to argue. Archie,
Hi.
what happened?
It was Cora. She kidnapped me.
Archie?
And me. Oh, it's all right. I'm fine. I'm fine.
Henry, we were wrong. Regina didn't do it.
I knew it. Maybe we should let her know.
Yeah. But something tells me either way, we're gonna pay the price.